Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this edited makeup look is inspired by Urbosa from Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild. I'm even wearing my Breath of the Wild shirt. You can't really see it. Um, but Breath of the Wild was obviously one of my favorite games from last year, and Urbosa was my favorite champion from Breath of the Wild. And I just wanted to pay homage to her, and I thought, you know what? Let's start off the year strong with a strong woman. Little did I know the sun was going to be setting and I was going to have terrible lighting. So please excuse that. Aside from that, I really do like how this turned out. Except for the gold in the crease, I would change that. But yeah, so if you want to see how I created this look, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my eyebrows and my primer, and I set the primer using Amen from the Saint Center palette. And today I'll be using the Kat Von D Saint Center palette. It just takes forever to grab because it's so big. Ha! And the first shade I'm going to dip into is Devil. And I'm going, well, a combination of Devil and Martyr. I love that combination, just to use in the crease. And I'll be taking a fluffy blending brush. So I'm going to take just Devil and use that to blend out on my Sephora Collection number 10 brush. I'm going to take this flat blending brush and a little bit of crucifix and just deepen the crease. Blending out again. Taking Ministry on this little flat packing brush, I'm going to start cutting a crease from the outer third. Taking the shade Vestment, which I haven't used yet, oddly enough, even though I love it, I'm going to pack that on the center. Taking that same little packing brush, I'm going to take the shade Messenger Bird by Sephora Collection and pop that right in here. And finally, we're going to take the shade Exodus and pop that right on the inner corner. And the reason for that coloring is that Urbosa's garments have very ornate designs in them, and they have like dark blues, dark greens, light blues, light greens, so I want to just go in between all three. All four, what am I talking about? To redefine that crease, I'm going to take Crucifix on this little brush right here, and just run that above. To do something a little different, I'm actually going to take my Urban Decay Razor Sharp eyeliner in Gold Rush and just kind of added a little extra part to the crease. And it just adds that little pop. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry. I'm also gonna put on some other liner, put on some false lashes, my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so there we have the face on. Trying a new highlighter, love it. Finally got precious petals. Crying over my canopy was too dark, and this is just gorgeous. Okay. Taking the shade Crucifix, I'm going to lightly line the lower outer third of my eyes. Now I'm going to take the shade Devil and just blend that underneath. Now I'm going to take the shade Relic and just pop that on the inner corner. Taking my Sephora Collection number 10 brush, I'm going to lightly blend. For bottom lash mascara, I'll be using my Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara. Okay, I forgot to do this, but I'm going to be taking my Marc Jacobs highliner in Peridot and running that in my waterline. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the lips. Okay, so for lipstick today, I'll be taking the Wet n Wild Mega Liquid Cat Suit in the shade Boo Blue. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna apply like another coat so it's truly opaque. On camera it looks more opaque than it actually is, so I'll be right back. And I'll actually set my face and let my hair down at the same time, so whenever you see me next, I will be completed. Okay, and here we are with the finished look. I know the lighting's terrible right now. It is 5:04, so everything's going down. But I'm going to take some flash photos so yeah, you can see it better. But I actually really like this look. The only thing I would change is I would not do the golden crease. I would honestly just keep the gold there. Aside from that, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Okay. I love how this turned out. I love how this turned out, I honestly do. I honestly see myself recreating this again in better lighting. But yeah, so I'm so happy that this is the first video of the year. I'm so glad that you watched it. And if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like me and you want to see more, just please subscribe and click that little bell button, because then you'll get a notification every time I release a new video. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say except thank you, and I'll see you next time.